So you wanna learn how to find HCF of two numbers by Euclid's division algorithm. Now to do that, let me begin with the question. So let's find the HCF of two numbers 32 and 12. So we have different methods. So when I was small, like I had different methods to find the HCF of these two numbers. So I would write it like 1 into 32, 2 into 16, and 4 into 6. And whereas for 12 I will write it 1 into 12, 2 into 6, and 4 into 3. So now we see this method is taking quite long for small numbers, like it's taking very long for big numbers. So there we were introduced to prime factorization. So prime factorization, like we give the numbers the power, like 2 to the power 5, which gives us 32, 2 to the power 2 into 3, which gives us 12. So like that we solved our prime factorization. Now let's go to Euclid's division algorithm, how we visualize it. So now let's find the HCF, like simply write it, like 32 and 12. Let's find the HCF of 32 and 12. This is the way we write it, 32, 12. So now let's find the HCF of these two by Euclid's division algorithm. So we'll divide 32 by 12. Okay, it's very simple. I'll just show you the working right over here. And we see 32 divided by 12, it goes twice, which is 24, and gives us the remainder as 8. Gives us the remainder of 8. Now in between 32 and 12 we see that 12 is the smallest number, so we take 12 comma 8. The HCF 12 comma 8. Find the HCF of 12 comma 8. So like the very interesting topic in this is we get the HCF common. The HCF of these numbers are very common. We get the same answer. So the HCF of 12 comma 8, okay, the remainder gives us, remainder gives us 4. So we see 8 comma 4. Find the HCF of 8 comma 4. 8 comma 4 is completely divisible, which gives us a remainder as 0. So you can say 4 is the HCF of 32 and 12. The interesting fact is 4 is the HCF of 32 comma 12 and 12 comma 8 and 8 comma 4, which is a common factor. Common factor is 4. So now let's take a bigger number. We take 627 divided by 45. So let's do 45. One time goes 62 minus 45 equals 17. 7 comes down. 45 into 3 gives you 135. 177 minus 135 gives you 42. So now let's gives us 42. So in between 627 and 45 we see 45 is the smaller, so we'll take 45 comma 42. Now let's find the HCF of these two. You still won't get the HCF of these two. Let's divide it further. So when the remainder of 45 and 42 gives us 3, so we take 42 comma 3. You see 3 is completely divisible by 42, which gives us a remainder 0, and henceforth the HCF of 627 and 45 is 3.